Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share the recipe of delicious white chocolate macadamia nut cookies with soft and chewy centers and slightly crisp edges. For this recipe we will need 140 grams of flour, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 100 grams of brown sugar, half of the teaspoon of cornstarch, half of the teaspoon of baking soda, 85 grams of butter, 1 egg, half of the teaspoon of vanilla extract, 100 grams of white chocolate chips, 50 grams of chopped macadamia nuts, and don't forget the scales. Start by creaming together 85 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of granulated sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. Now it's time to add in 1 egg, then stir in half of the teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat until combined. In a separate bowl, combine 140 grams of flour, half of the teaspoon of cornstarch, half of the teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now gradually add the flour mixture to the butter and mix until just combined. Stir in 50 grams of chopped macadamia nuts and 100 grams of white chocolate chips and mix until combined. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and chill the dough for about an hour. Once chilled, roll the dough out into 1-inch balls and press a few more white chocolate chips and macadamia nut pieces onto the tops for extra flavor and presentation. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or until edges are just slightly browned. And as easy as that, our white chocolate macadamia nut cookies are ready. Bon appetit!